these were photographs taken by the Highway Patrol that I ultimately received in discovery. And this is a picture of the van. Now, we know the van was moved. And you'll take a look. I initially had thought that these vans had all kinds of lights and everything. It's a regular van with just regular lights. And what's interesting here,
it's unlike any other criminal trial. You've got a whole different theory of intent. When somebody picks up a gun or picks up a knife and commits a murder, the jury understands that. They're familiar with that. But trying to explain nanograms per liter and the effects of ecstasy on the bloodstream and driving skills, that's way out of most people's league.
DUIs are very technical cases, and we have a saying around here, if you can do DUI cases, you can do just about anything. And I'm not trying to in any way bolster, things that I do. But they're very complicated and difficult cases. You have to understand a lot about a lot of things. And you got to become an expert in all those areas. Unlike typically murder cases, you got someone who either shot someone, stabbed someone, and there's the body, and you're claiming someone did it.
I have to agree with you. It can get very technical, very scientific, and there are also a lot of ground rules in bringing in the evidence, and you've got to go right by the book to get your evidence in. Sit tight, John Paul.
Hi, this is attorney Michael Pariente at the Pariente Law Firm, PC, John G. Watkins of counsel, here in our conference room at the Howard Hughes Center. And today we're going to be talking about the Jessica Williams trial and the effect of that trial on marijuana laws today. John, tell us a little bit about Jessica Williams and what has happened since you represented her.
well, at the time of Jessica Williams' case, a person could be found guilty of a DUI so long as there was any marijuana substance or metabolite which did not have any effect at all. Now, as a result of the Jessica Williams case and its national attention, the Nevada legislature has now made it law that the substances have to be psychoactive, meaning it has to affect you, whether it be the substance cannabinoid or whether it be a metabolite of one of the cannabinoids. They have to be psychoactive. And again, at the time of Jessica Williams, it didn't matter whether they were active or not. In fact, she was found guilty on a non-active substance. Okay? So there has been a positive result from the Jessica Williams case in the state of Nevada.
What changes do you still think need to be made, if any, to existing marijuana law?
Okay, still, if you use marijuana, your baseline level of THC or a psychoactive metabolite, which is called hydroxy, you're going to have in your system more than 2 nanograms of the THC, and you're going to have more nanograms of 5 of the hydroxy. So you would still be guilty of a DUI, even though you're not impaired. That needs to be changed.
Thank you, John. Now, of course, if you have been arrested for driving under the influence, whether you have marijuana in your system or some other substance, if you're here in Las Vegas, give us a call. Come sit down with us in person, or if you're calling from out of state, let's talk over the phone about how we can help you.